Hello, let me show you how we can remove this 10 seconds limit on always on display in POCO X7 Pro. So now as you can see, it stays all the time. I don't have to tap on the screen. It will be here forever. And now, if you want to know how to do this, just simply unlock your screen. And first of all, we have to go to the settings, click on About Phone, keep tapping on OS version until you will be in the developer mode. Go back and scroll all the way down. Move to additional settings. Now you have to find developer options and you have to scroll all the way down. Now you will have to search for this one, reset to default values, and you have to keep tapping on it until you find this option, the system optimization. As default, it will be turned on. So you will have to just click on the switcher to turn it off. And now when you lock your screen, you don't have to tap on your screen to get always in display. It will stay here forever. So that's how it actually works. Now please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.